guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So one day I was online and I discovered the Platform 9 3/4 shop, which for you Harry Potter fans already know Platform 9 3/4 is a real place at the King Cross station in London, UK, where they have a whole cool photo op with the iconic Platform 9 3/4 brick wall. Plus they have a lot of really cool like souvenir shops. And one day I just found the website and I saw that they sold a lot of really cool customized Harry Potter stuff that you cannot find anywhere in the US. So after looking on the site, I found this one thing that I instantly fell in love with, and from there it was all downhill because I spent a good couple hours on that site. And when I tell you, I was like add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, and once I was done, yo, that total was a lot. Your girl spent a lot of shmoney, and on top of spending all that shmoney, the shipping was crazy. Shipping from the UK to the USA is no joke. It was literally $45 just to ship this big box right here. And when I tell you they told me the shipping total was $45, I was like, whoa. I don't know if I like Harry Potter that much. I mean, like, how deep of a relationship are we in for me to commit to $45 whole? I gotta think about it. So after a couple hours of deliberating, your girl just said, YOLO, treat yourself, it's your shmoney, do what you want. So of course I had to make this really cool purchase. And before I open this box, I just want you, I just want you to know how special you are, because your girl received this box a whole 24 hours and some change ago, and she waited, yes, she waited until she got on camera just to open it and to experience the whole true unboxing with you. So you are very special, okay? But alright you guys, if you're ready to see the Harry Potter unboxing, then keep on watching. Now the question is, how do I open it? Like, I'm trying to be as careful as possible because I don't want to puncture what's inside, but like I can't contain my excitement at the same time. All right, so we've got a box within a box. All right, that does not make it easy for me. Okay. All right, on to the real unboxing. This is literally so hard, you have no idea. Oh my god, you guys, I'm like so excited. I can hardly speak. I'm literally like just tingling all over. So the first thing that it comes with is just like some of the packaging. It's like an order invoice just telling me all the stuff that I purchased. And then it comes with a return paper just in case I want to return stuff. And there's this really cool little paper that says discover the Platform 9 3/4 range. And on the back of it, it says thank you for shopping with us. And then it has like the website on the bottom there. And there's also a little card here that says notice to customer. Oh, okay. It's just telling you how to maintain the authentic look of your trunk, and then it has like a little picture here of it. And the last thing are some cool stickers. Okay, so you get like a sticker for each badge of the houses. But all right, time to get to the true unboxing of this video. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but this is a Harry Potter trunk. So of course, you know, when you go to Hogwarts, you have to take a trunk to carry all your things in. So this is just the traditional trunk that has the Hogwarts symbol on it with the traditional H and the 4 pictures of each of the 4 houses. And then the cool customized part of this trunk is the fact that it has my initials on the side here of BLC, my first, middle, and last name. And I'm honestly pretty excited already about the trunk itself. It just looks so nice and cool, and I'm really gonna actually use this trunk for when I not like airplane travel, but when I go on like cool road trips and whatnot. I'm definitely gonna put my stuff in here. But okay, let's open it up. I'm not sure exactly how you open it, but we gonna figure it out. All right, so I just lowered the camera down a little bit so you can get a better picture of this. But okay, let's figure out how to do this. I'm not really sure, like, how do you open these? Oh, that was so cool. Can we get an instant replay on that, please? That just sounds so cool, crisp and clean. Like, yo, 3 C's. I just came with that on the spot. Okay, let's open it up. Oh no, wait, I'm sorry. I need to take a little minute. I'm a little nervous. All right, you guys, let's open her up. I haven't actually gone inside of it, and I am already super happy and excited. The first thing I automatically noticed is a really cool red sticker here. It has that signature stamp of the Hogwarts symbol on there, but it looks so pretty. I don't even want to like undo it to open up my package. So on top of that, the next thing I noticed is my beautiful Hogwarts acceptance letter that they taped right up here. Let's see if I can remove it without messing it up. Okay, before we get into the actual trunk itself, I do want to just talk a little bit about the letter because I am obsessed with the way this came out. They put my first and last name of Miss B. Calix, and I requested that they put the bed under the pop figures because my bed literally has a wall of pop figures behind it. So instead of saying like the cupboard underneath the stairs for Harry Potter, I asked them to put the bed underneath the pop figures for Brianna Calix. Oh my god, I have another sticker of the Hogwarts symbol. Y'all have no idea. I really feel like I'm opening up my Hogwarts acceptance letter. I'm literally shaking right now. Alright, so now I'm going to open up my official Hogwarts acceptance letter. Okay, so the acceptance letter says, Dear Miss Calix, we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Students shall be required to report to the chambers of reception upon arrival, the dates for which shall be duly advised. Please ensure that the utmost attention be made to the list of requirements attached herewith. We very much look forward to receiving you as a part of the new generation of Hogwarts heritage. Okay, so there's another paper which I would only assume is gonna be the list of requirements. Yep, there it is. It says like the uniform, the books that I need. Yo, it says Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them by Newt Scamander. That is so cool. And underneath that it says like other equipment I'll need is gonna be one wand, but of course. And it says students may also bring an owl or cat or toad. Parents are reminded that first years are not allowed their own broomsticks. Honestly, I think that if I were to go to Hogwarts, I'd probably bring a cat. I feel like that would be kind of like the coolest pet to have. But there you have it, guys. That's my acceptance letter as well as the list of requirements. I'm going to carefully package this back up into my Hogwarts acceptance envelope. And I'm actually gonna probably stick this back up in here because I love the way it looks in there. Okay, so let's officially dive into the actual unboxing part of this video. So I'm going to carefully try to open this without ruining that sticker on here. Perfecto. Oh my god, I'm already excited and I only just seen like a little sneak peek of what's inside of here. So before I open this all the way, I'm going to let y'all know I've ordered a lot of stuff. The girl went a little bit crazy, just a little bit. Okay, so the first thing I see here on top is a really cool feather quill. And on the website, it says it was actually a real pen that works. It's, 100% natural feather. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, this is so cool. I'm like nerding out right now. This is insane. So this is a really cool, like nice feather quill pen. I honestly got it because every time I watch the movies and I see them writing in class with the little feather quill pens, I'm like, bruh, I want a pen. That looks really cool. It's not actually like a quill, but it is a pen that has a feather on top of it. So it still really gives you that cool Harry Potter feel. Okay, so the next thing I see here is gonna be, it's Hedwig. Of course, y'all already know that is Harry's owl. It is so cute. It's just like a medium size, I think, plush toy. I don't have any plush toys because, you know, it's not your girl's thing. But when I saw this, I instantly fell in love. Like, yo, this is just so adorable. I mean, come on, look at it. So before I show the next item, you guys already know your girl is put in the Slytherin house. So I got some cool Slytherin stuff. The first being a really cool scarf. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. I don't have anything like Slytherin related. I have very, very few Harry Potter things and nothing that's like Slytherin particular really. So I'm so happy that I'm able to have an official scarf that you guys see them wearing in the movies. This is really nice. So it has the badge of Slytherin right here. And then at the end, it has these really cool little tassels. You know what? I'm actually gonna put this on right now. Yo, forgive me. I don't really know how to wear a scarf. You know, living in Florida, you don't really wear scarves. Okay, I think I got it. I think just one side has to be longer than the other and then the badge just sits out here on front. This looks pretty nerdy, but I kind of like it. I really feel like I'm in Hogwarts just walking around with my fellow Slytherins, you know, Draco, Crab, and Goyle. Come on guys, let's go. So the next item is just a traditional Slytherin beanie. It has a really cool little pom-pom at the top, and much like the scarf, it has the Slytherin crest here on the front. I'm actually gonna put this one on too. Bam! How do I look? Pretty nerdy? Yeah, I know. I haven't even opened that much stuff and I'm already just so happy and content with my order at this point. So the next thing is not going to be Slytherin related, but it is Hogwarts still related. It's just a simple bowl. It's an actual glass bowl that I was really happy and excited to purchase it. Oh my god, y'all, it looks so cute. So yeah, it has like the Hogwarts symbol there, then it has the HP on the back. I actually got this because I think it was on sale and I was really happy to get it because if you know anything about me, I am obsessed with cereal and I eat it like 3 times a day at least. And I figured this would be really cute to eat my cereal and milk out of throughout the day. Okay, the next thing I got, whoa, she's pretty heavy, which honestly means she's living true to her name. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is a really cool paperweight that I bought. When I saw this, I was so in love with it, I had to get it. And it's so cute, the fact that the box on here says the Harry Potter shop, platform 9 3/4. But all right, let's open her up. Oh my god, you guys, she's so beautiful. Okay, so like I mentioned, it's a paperweight. It's a 3D photo of the Hogwarts castle. Oh my god, y'all. This looks so amazing. I am so excited to display this on either my dresser or my shelves. Either way, I am really content with my purchase. So far, this just might be my favorite item that I bought. So the next item I'm going to show you guys is a cool Hogwarts Express chocolate bar that I got. I had to make sure to get this because of the fact that I read so many reviews that said this chocolate in specific was so good. And I'm pretty sure this is my first time having UK chocolate, so I had to make sure I got it. It's super cute and it just says Hogwarts Express, platform 9 3/4 here. So essentially I got this because I didn't think it came with the set of stuff that I ordered, but it turns out it does, and now your girl has 2 chocolate bars. But your girl not even mad because you can never have enough chocolate in your life. Okay, I am so excited to eat these. I really hope they live up to the hype. The next thing is some more chocolate. The set that I ordered came with a bunch of Green Gods Galleon chocolates, and it just has that really cool, the Bank of Green Gods symbol right there on each of the chocolates. I feel like it's about a good 10 galleons in here, so I'm probably gonna eat most of them and then just save at least like one as a souvenir. So the next thing is a very cute but simple traditional Slytherin lanyard, and inside of the clear part of this lanyard is my one-way ticket to Hogwarts for platform 9 3/4. You guys, it looks so cute. Oh my god, it's really nice. It has like little gold foils that are indented into the ticket itself. Like, it is really cute. I love the little detailing that they put on this ticket. Just lets you know that your money actually went towards good quality things. The next thing here is a pin badge. Oh, okay, for my House of Slytherin, they gave me a little pin here that has just the Slytherin symbol on it. But this is so nice, you guys. I'm actually gonna try to put it on right now. This is so cute, y'all. Look at my little pin. So the next thing in here is a traditional Slytherin tie. I would most certainly put this on, but I don't know how to put on a tie, but since I have this, of course your girl is gonna learn. I'm so happy to get this. I of course won't wear this in like everyday life, but I feel like if I ever do like a cool cosplay or if I have to wear a tie, this will be my go-to. So the next few things I got are a cool Slytherin pen as well as a Slytherin notebook. So the notebook on here just has the symbol embedded into it, and it's really nice. If you feel it, it's actually like engraved into the notebook itself, which is pretty cool. And then for the inside, oh, this is cute. So it just has like the Slytherin symbol at the top right hand corner of each page, and then the lines themselves are green. So I figured this is really cute. I don't actually use notebooks, but your girl is gonna start. Whether I'm writing in here with a Slytherin pen or my feather quill, I'm gonna write something. And the pen is just really cute and simplistic. It's green and silver for Slytherin colors. It does have the Slytherin badge there at the bottom, and then at the top it does say Slytherin in like a really cool font there. So the next few things are some really cute keychains. So the first being, oh my god, this is so nice. So on the front here, it has like the Slytherin symbol there, and then on the back, embedded into the keychain, it says platform 9 3/4, King's Cross, London Station. I think I'll probably put this on my Slytherin lanyard to kind of like match. And for the next keychain, this is so adorable, you guys. It's literally the Slytherin Scarf in mini form. Like, yo, twinsies, oh, what up, ball. It has the little mini scarf for Slytherin, and oh my god, it has like a little bar here that says Slytherin, and it has a cute little green jewel. Oh my gosh, look. Like, how could you not like this? It is so adorable. You know, instead of that keychain, I'll probably put this on my lanyard. All right, we're officially reaching the last few things in this haul. So I did get a couple of shirts. So in this little set that I bought, it came with this really cool Slytherin T-shirt. Y'all, this print is really nice, but this is a super cute green color. Like, yo, on my skin tone, it really pops out nicely. And as I mentioned before, since I don't really have any Harry Potter clothing, let alone Slytherin, I really like the fact that I can add this to my wardrobe. And so for the last thing I got, it's a really cute and simple platform 9 3/4 shirt. So I think this is really nice. I got the navy one because one, it was on sale, and two, I don't have anything that's like navy colored. Either way, I really like how vibrant this symbol here is. It's so cute. All right, you guys, that concludes everything that I got in my customized Hogwarts trunk haul. I will most certainly be sure to leave down the link below for the platform 9 3/4 shop. Just a heads up, they ship anywhere in the world, so regardless of what country you live in, I would 100% recommend buying anything from their site. But anyway, guys, that's the entire haul. I really thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, and turn that notifications bell on so you can be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, please make sure to add your girl on Instagram at Rihanna_Caleeks, as well as on Snapchat at Red and Black Princess. All right, you guys. Bye. I officially have a Hogwarts trunk. Yo, I'm such a nerd.